It's cold. It's 6:52 a.m. and we're at Caffeine and Horsepower. I wanted to figure out how to start this channel, and I really couldn't figure it out. So I decided to just do what I do and just hit a couple car events. This is how I wanted to start the channel, doing stuff that I do. Ravishing Rides is the detail company, our mobile detailing here in Charlotte, but we're so much more than that. We're a whole lifestyle, and this is where the lifestyle started. Meets like this out in the lots, the garages, whatever it may be, and this is one of the better ones here in Charlotte. So you see a good mix of everything: muscle, exotic, Germans. Speaking of Germans are out here pretty early in full force. Got a pair of 911s, GT2 RS right there. There's another one tucked back there behind that van. Supra just pulled up. It's a good mix of cars. You got to get here early to get a good spot. So that's why I'm here, in the cold, in the dark. We're gonna figure this out. Once the crew gets here, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So until then, let's enjoy it. The fresh, cold air is boost season, and we're gonna have some fun today. So it finally got warm a little bit, kind of, but I had to cut that video short because I got car parts. It's time to go have some fun. VRSF, let's see what we got. And filter number 1, that looks good. And bubble wrap. Everything looks excellent so far. Let's see how well that looks. Alright, and one coupler. Those clamps. Looks like new bolts for sensors. And I believe that's it. Some VRSF stickers, not sure if I'm gonna use those or not, but cool. All right, so time to start tearing stuff down. Let's get to done start to finish. I think it took maybe 45 minutes. Could have been quicker, but there was a few issues, not issues, but just things you learn. It was easier just to take the whole inlet pipe out to align the rear turbo intake, just because of the weird angle it was at. So it was easier to do that tight fit, but I got it to go in there without any rubbing. Everything else from there was fine. So it took me about 45 minutes. I didn't watch any tutorials or didn't come in any instructions. It's kind of straightforward. Just be careful taking everything apart. Make sure you don't damage your sensors and keep them in a safe, clean place. If you're gonna leave the turbo inlets open, make sure you put something in there to keep debris and dust and bolts going down into your turbo. So here's our first start. Switching cameras, everything is in efficient and comfort mode. Once we get out into the street, we'll see what we got. All right, here we go. Wow. So even in comfort mode, you hear that spool so much more. Oh, that's nice. So as soon as I turn this corner, I know I'm gonna get caught by the next light, but let's see. It's green, it's gonna turn yellow. Yep, could have made it, but doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. All right, so we're back home. Had to come back, clean up, change clothes, and get ready to go out and have a little bit of fun today. But thank you for bearing with me through the first video. Content's gonna get a lot better, quality's gonna get a lot better, and the action's gonna get a lot better. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna go get ready for this photo shoot, clean up the car a little bit, and drop a little bit of footage in there. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you wanna see more or less of certain cars, certain actions, certain things. I know today really wasn't an install day, wasn't a DIY day, but I just wanted to capture some of the stuff I do on the daily basis. So that's pretty much an average Saturday. So from detailing the cars, going out, meeting people, just different things. So we're gonna get into it. Peace.